Students, Sai Ram. Let us continue with the same chapter number 9, rational numbers. And today we are going to complete the lesson. We are going to learn today the last operation on rational numbers, that is division of rational numbers. And then we will do exercise 9.2, question number 4, 1 to 7. And let us start. Children, you have learned division of integers. Now let us take an example. Suppose you have 6 kg cake and you want to divide it into 4 equal parts or 4 equal pieces, or you can say 4 quarters. Then what will be the weight of each part? The weight of each part will be 6 upon 4 kg. Or you can say that weight of every quarter is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 upon 4. This is quarter. So 6 into 1 upon 4. That means 6 upon 4 can also be written as 6 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now here, children, division operation, here we are doing 6 divided by 4. So 6 divided by the division operation can also be written as multiplication operation. For that, here you see, this is the divisor, 6 divided by 4. So 4 is the divisor. 4 can also be written as 4 upon 1. And if you interchange the numerator and denominator, like this is the numerator, it will come here and the denominator will go to the numerator's place. Then you will get 1 upon 4, which is called its reciprocal. So 6 divided by 4 can also be written as 6 multiplied by 1 upon 4, which is equal to 6 upon 4. So now let us take another example. Suppose if you have 6 kg pineapple cake and you have to divide it into pieces in such a way that every piece should weigh half kg. So then what you will do? You are going to divide 6 kg cake by half. Now here you can see, children, this is 6 kg cake and every kg is shown by different color. And then what you will do? Each kg of cake you are going to divide it into 2 parts because you have to make 2 halves. Every kg has to be divided into 2 halves. That means 2 parts. So then now here you can see it is divided into 2 parts. Every kg is divided into 2 parts. So totally how many pieces we got? We got 12 pieces. If you count, you will see it is 12. So 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12. So now how we got 12 pieces? Let us understand that. Here, children, we have divided 6 by half. So here half is the divisor. Now here half, when you write in the reciprocal form, that means when you bring the numerator in the denominator's place and denominator you take to the numerator's place. When you interchange their position, you will get 2 upon 1. So 6 divided by half can be written as 6 multiplied by 2 upon 1. Now here this 2 upon 1, this is the multiplier. So because 6 is multiplied by 2, when you find out the reciprocal, you can multiply. You can multiply this number. 6 can be multiplied with 2. So now 2 is the multiplier. Now 6 into 2 is how much? 6 into 2 is 12. That means you will get 12 pieces. So you will make 12 pieces to divide it equally. 6 kg of cake will be divided equally into 12 pieces. Then every piece will be of half kg. Now children, let us understand the next part, product of reciprocals. So now you know what is reciprocal. When any number, when the numerator and the denominator of a number is interchanged, you will get its reciprocal. So the product of a rational number with its reciprocal is always 1. So whenever you multiply a rational number with its reciprocal, then you will get always 1. Its product will be always 1. So let us understand with the help of example. Now here let us take an example. This is 1 upon 4. So it is a rational number. So when you write its reciprocal, it will be 4 upon 1. And when we multiply this 2, you will get 1. You can see here 4 and 4 will be cut. So 1. So number into its reciprocal is always 1. So let us take another example. Negative rational number minus 3 upon 5. This is a negative rational number. So we will write its reciprocal. So reciprocal of minus 3 upon 5 will be minus 5 upon 3. So here you can see this 3 will be cut. This also, this will be reduced. And then here negative multiplied by negative. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. And you will get here 1. So reciprocal of negative number is negative. You can see here this is a negative rational number and its reciprocal also is negative. Now let us take another example. 6 divided by minus half. So here this is the divisor. Now how to solve it? We will write 6 multiplied by, this is the divisor, we will write the reciprocal minus half. When you interchange the numerator and denominator, you will get minus 2 upon 1. And then we can write in this way 6 multiplied. Division instead of division we'll write multiplication. 6 into minus 2 upon 1. And then you know positive into negative is negative. So here first we'll multiply the number. 6 2s are 12. And then positive into negative is negative. So here minus sign you will give minus 12 upon 1. And minus 12 upon 1 is minus 12. So let us take another example. Minus 3 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 20. So that will be equal to minus 3 upon 4. In place of division we will write multiplication. But then this divisor we have to write in reciprocal form. So the reciprocal of 3 upon 20 is 20 upon 3. So we are going to write here multiplied by 20 upon 3. And then we'll reduce it. 4 5s are 20. 3 will be cut. You will get here 5. And then negative divided by positive. Here it is negative divided by, here they are positive. So negative divided by positive is negative. So answer will be minus 5. Now what is division of rational numbers? To divide one rational number by the other non-zero rational number, we multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other. So let us understand again with the help of an example. This is an example. Minus 7 upon 2. This is a rational number, negative rational number divided by a positive rational number. So how you are going to divide? You will write like this. Minus 7 upon 2 multiplication. Now here in place of division we will write multiplication. And then what you have to do? You have to write the reciprocal of this rational number. Next rational number. So reciprocal of 4 upon 3. And that is equal to minus 7 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Reciprocal of 4 upon 3 is 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 and then we will solve it. 7 3s are 21. Here negative multiplied by positive is negative. And 2 4s are 8. So answer will be minus 21 upon 8. So let us start next question, which is based on division. Exercise questions we will start. Now exercise 9.2, question number 4. Find the value of. First question, minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. Children, you see in your textbook, this is the first question, first question, first part. So this can be written like this, minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. This is the question given. So next step you will write minus 4. This division will become multiplication. And then what you have to do, this one you have to write in reciprocal form. So 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. And then we will reduce. This 2 can be reduced. 2 2s are 4. So we will write minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Now question number 2. Minus 3 divided by 2. Same method, is equal to minus 3 upon 5 divided by, now 2, here there is no denominator. If you want, you can write 1 as a denominator. And then next step is equal to minus 3 upon 5. In place of division, now we will write multiplication. 2 upon 1 we will write in reciprocal form. So it will be 1 upon 2. And then what we will do? We are going to multiply the numerators first. Minus 3 into 1 upon, now 5 into 2. So 5 into 2. So now you cannot reduce any of the number. So we'll just multiply 3 ones are 3 and then negative sign upon 5 twos are 10. So answer is minus 3 upon 10. Now question number 5. Minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. So we'll write first minus 2 upon 3 and this we will write in reciprocal form, and this division will be changed to multiplication. So your multiplication sign you will give and 7 upon 1. Now you will multiply the numerators, minus 2 into 7 in the numerator and in the denominator 13 multiplied by 1. So that is written. Now you will see, can you reduce any of the number? No. So then what we'll do? We are going to multiply. 2 sevens are 14 and then negative multiplied by positive is negative upon 13 ones are 13. So answer is minus 14 upon 13. Now sixth question, minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. So same method, first we'll write down this minus 7 upon 12, division will become multiplication, then reciprocal of minus 2 upon 13 is 13 upon minus 2. And then what you will do, you will write here in this way. You can see here also one negative sign, here also one negative sign is there. So minus divided by minus is positive. So we will remove negative sign, minus sign will remove. And then we'll just write 7 upon 12 into 13 upon 2. And then we will multiply the numerator, 7 into 13, 12 into 2, you will get 91 upon 24. Now question number 7, 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. Same method. Now first we'll write 3 upon 13. In place of division we'll write multiplication. This we will write in reciprocal form. So it will become 65 upon minus 4. And then what we'll do? We are going to multiply the numerator. 3 into 65 divided by 3 into minus 4. And then this minus sign, you can, if you want, you can bring it here or you can keep it there. Then what you can do, you will rearrange it. See, in this next step what we have done, this minus sign we have brought here and then here. If you want, you can rearrange or you can reduce here also. If you want, you can reduce here. 13 5s are 65. Or you can rearrange in this way. Whichever way you find easier, you will do. So you can reduce here 13 5s are 65. Then see, you will get the same answer. 3 5s are 15 upon 4. See, answer is minus 15 upon 4. Or if you rearrange it, if you write like this, minus 3 upon 4, and this you will bring it here, because we know 13 5s are 65. So we can group them like this. And then 5, and then 5 3s are 15, and then minus into plus is minus upon 4. So in this way also you will get minus 15 upon 4, and if you directly reduce also and then you multiply the numerator and the denominator, you will get the same answer. Now children, exercise 9.1, question number 2. Two parts I have given for homework. The third part I am showing you how to do. So you will be able to do those two questions which I have given for homework. This question was, write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. So here this is the pattern given, minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon minus 12, then 3 upon minus 18. You can see the question, 4 upon minus 24. So this way a series of numbers are given, and based on this pattern we will find 4 more rational numbers. So first what we'll do, we will write down these all rational numbers. It is written here, minus 1 upon 6. This minus we will write up. So it will become minus 2 upon 12, minus 3 upon 18, minus 4 upon 24. Now children, what you have to see? You have to see the denominator. You can see here, all the denominators here, they are the multiple of 6. So that means they are all equivalent to minus 1 upon 6. So let us write in this way. As you know, 6 2s are 12. So first we'll write like this, minus 1 upon 6 into 2 upon 2. You can see here, when you multiply you will get this, minus 2, 6 2s are 12. Same way here you see here 18 is there. So 6 3s are 18. Same thing you will do with the numerator also. You have to multiply numerator also by 3. So minus 1 into 3, 6 into 3. Next one, minus 1 into 4 upon 6 into 4. So this way you have come to know the pattern. Now the next 4 rational numbers we have to find out. So what you are going to do? You are going to do in this way. Minus 1 upon 6 into 5 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 6 into 6 upon 6. Then 7 upon 7. Then 8 upon 8. So it's very easy. And then you will multiply the numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So you can see here we got 4 more rational numbers. Here minus 5 upon 30 we got. Here minus 6 upon 36. Minus 7 upon 42. Minus 8 upon 48. So this way we got next 4 rational numbers. So therefore 4 more rational numbers are, these are the numbers which is written here. So this way you have to complete this pattern. You have to write 4 more rational numbers. So this way I hope you all have followed this method. So those 2 questions you can easily do it. Now children, today you have these 2 questions as homework and this 2, try this question. Here you have to divide 2 rational numbers. This is question number 4. This is 2 parts which I have not solved here, but this is your homework and this 2 questions. Thank you. So here I have ended up with the lesson. Take care.